In the bustling sphere of digital marketing, affiliate marketing emerges as a radiant beacon for entrepreneurs aiming to forge a lucrative path without the arduous demands of product creation. Imagine diving into a treasure trove where each niche holds the potential for wealth, contingent only on your ability to wisely decipher its secrets. However, the choice of a niche isn't mere child's play. It requires a meticulous blend of passion and pragmatism to truly yield gold. Underestimating this crucial step can leave even the most ambitious marketer floundering in a sea of mediocrity, making the journey of niche selection akin to choosing the right wire in a high-stakes game of bomb defusal. Each choice carries weight, each decision echoes profitability. When stepping into the terrain of affiliate marketing, assessing the competitive landscape is non-negotiable. The intensity of competition within a niche can significantly sway your success rate. A hyper-competitive niche may offer less wiggle room for a new entrant, whereas a less crowded niche might provide a fertile ground for growth and influence. Picture a bustling marketplace. Each stall represents a competitor. In some aisles, the crowd is overwhelming, making it hard for any new stall to catch the eye of a passerby. In others, only a few stalls exist, each having ample space and the potential to attract more customers. Applying this analogy to affiliate marketing, one must aim for the balance. A niche populous enough to confirm demand, yet not so saturated to stifle opportunity. The tools are plentiful for this endeavor. Utilize analytic tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to gauge how packed a niche is. Looking at search volumes, keyword difficulty, and existing competitor engagement gives you a clear picture of what you're up against. Also, spending time on forums, social media, and review sites can reveal the number of active participants and the intensity of competition. It's not just the number of competitors that matters, but the potential financial reward of the niche. A primary consideration is the commercial intent of the audience within the niche. Are people just browsing, or are they ready to whip out their credit cards? An affiliate marketer's dream is a niche with high conversion potential. Visualize a graph with an upward trend in sales within your potential niche. This signifies not only growth, but also sustainability. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can offer insights into commercial viability by showing search queries tied to purchases. Beyond tools, look into affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, or ClickBank to identify products with good commission structures and strong sales records. Pay attention to customer reviews and feedback across platforms to understand buyer satisfaction and product quality, which directly influence conversion rates. While commercial metrics are pivotal, personal passion plays a complementary role. When you choose a niche that aligns with your personal interests, content creation becomes more intuitive and less of a chore. This intrinsic motivation ensures the consistency and authenticity vital for building trust with your audience. Imagine an individual surrounded by stacks of research material but with a spark of enthusiasm in their eyes. This is the portrait of a marketer in their element. Creating content around topics you are passionate about naturally improves the quality and engagement of your output. Moreover, it affords resilience against burnout, which is common in content-centered roles. Engage with your topics personally by attending seminars, subscribing to related magazines, and joining niche-specific online communities. These activities not only bolster your knowledge and passion, but also keep you informed about the latest trends and audience preferences, which can fuel further content ideas. Finally, understanding the scope of your chosen niche and its potential audience reach can define the upper limits of its success. A niche with a too narrow focus might limit audience size and, consequently, the spectrum of potential earnings. Conversely, a broader niche, while attracting a larger audience, might lack the concentration needed for effective targeting and conversion. Consider this global tapestry. Each region represents a segment of your potential online audience. Tools like Facebook Insights, Google Analytics, and market research reports can help you size up and comprehend the demographic and psychographic characteristics of prospective audiences. Equally important is recognizing trends within your niche that could expand or restrict its scope in the future. Stay abreast of industry shifts. Attend webinars, keep track of market reports, and follow influential figures on social media. Understanding these dynamics aids in adapting your strategies to maintain a robust and relevant presence within your niche. In conclusion, selecting the perfect niche for affiliate marketing is not about finding a quiet corner to settle down, but about making intelligent, informed decisions that carve out a space for growth and profit in the bustling marketplace. Through meticulous evaluation of competition, commercial viability, personal passion, and potential reach, one can develop a strategy that not only enters the market but dominates it. May your journey in affiliate marketing not be a gamble but a grand and successful adventure.